Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a group of reptiles that dominated the Earth millions of years ago. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as dinosaurs, dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were dominant for over 160 million years before their sudden extinction, likely due to a massive asteroid impact that drastically changed the Earth's climate. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about dinosaurs, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.